On Saturday, September 20th, 2025, the Lynbrook Fire Department Wounded Warrior Committee hosted their second annual Wounded Warrior Classic Car Show at Greis Park. The event benefited Nassau County firefighters' Operation Wounded Warrior and preceded the department's annual Wounded Warrior End of Summer Bash fundraiser, which was held later that same afternoon at the Recreation Center. The car show was sponsored by Anthony Capone, who is chief of the Valley Stream Fire Department, as well as the owner of North Star Collision in Lynbrook. The judges for the car show were the wounded military members from the United States Marines and Army, who came to Lynbrook from the Soldier Recovery Unit at Fort Belvoir in Virginia. The car winners were chosen in 6 separate categories, and trophies were awarded for each one. Car show chairman Chris Donnelly, along with Lynbrook's Wounded Warrior fundraising chairman Kevin Bean and Nassau County Firefighters Operation Wounded Warrior vice chairman Steve Grogan, presented the winners their trophies. Anthony Capone was presented with his own trophy for sponsoring the Wounded Warrior Car Show fundraiser for a second year. Nassau County Firefighters Operation Wounded Warrior Chairman Terrence Powderly also joined in.